Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss thesis statement or what is a thesis statement. So a thesis statement is a statement that clearly presents the main point or argument of your essay. It usually consists of a concise summary of the topic and your stance. It usually consists of the summary of the topic. It summarizes the topic and your stance, whether you agree or disagree. Stance means your opinion. How to write a thesis statement? Start by identifying the main topic and your stance on it. Start by identify the main topic. What is the main topic? What is the question entailing to? Okay? And your stance. Your stance, your opinion on it. Craft a sentence that captures the above elements. Craft a sentence that captures the above elements. Okay, the summary of the topic and your opinion. Make it specific and debatable, providing a roadmap for the reader to understand the focus of your essay. A thesis statement provides a roadmap of what you are going to say in the next few paragraphs. Okay, so I'm going to read out a question and we make a sample thesis statement. Okay, so the question is, some people say that the only reason for learning a foreign language is in order to travel to or work in a foreign country. Others say that these are not the only reasons why someone should learn a foreign language. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The question is saying that some people say that you only have to learn a foreign language in order to travel or in order to work, while others are saying that that is not the only reason. Okay, so let's look at a sample thesis statement. While some argue that the primary purpose of learning a foreign language is for practical reasons like travel or work abroad, others contend that there are broader cognitive and cultural benefits. Cognitive, more like it increases your ability to learn about different cultures, and cultural benefits to language acquisition. Okay, now here comes the opinion part. In this essay I will explore both perspectives and present my view that learning a foreign language extends beyond utilitarian motives, encompassing personal growth and intercultural understanding. Utilitarian means common. Okay, so this is how your thesis statement looks like. You have summarized the question and stated your opinion as well. So this is how you make a thesis statement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button